Alright everybody, this is Vintage Fan Collector TV here with another ceiling fan testing video. And today, this is the 5-blade video of the 1984 antique brass Casablanca Panama 5 ceiling fan. So, there is it in its full splendor. It looks really nice. However, of course I prefer it with 4, but to each his own. Anyway, we'll go ahead and go up close. Not going to do that whole format that I usually do, because I'm lazy. But I need a hatch for that. I'm going to buy one from my store that has a few of those. So yeah. Anyway, go ahead and demonstrate the light. And the lights aren't as bright because they're 130 volt bulbs, and there's also the milk glass globes are also not very they're not very transparent. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then start on low. It's a really nice looking fan. I do love it. And yeah, so speed 2. Speed 3. Okay. Of course I am. What do you need? Sorry about that. Alright, speed 4. Alright, speed 5. And speed 6. Turn off the light again. Of course it moved lots of air, not as much as 4 blades, but still. I'm surprised it doesn't spin any faster. I expected it to be a little bit faster, but you know, every fan's different speeds. And then off. So yeah, there we have it. There's my 1984 Casablanca Panama 5 ceiling fan with 5 blades. And the next fan probably will do the Zephyr. And I'll do them in that order too. The Ritz will be the first one to upload, then my then I'll figure out whether I should upload the blooper video or the origin of the one where I figured out how to work it, and then I'll do the 5 blade of that, and then of this thing, and then boom, Zephyr, and then I'll do the Victorians, and then the 85 Panama, which is 5 blade only, so that one will be a little bit different. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. A lot of the stuff on here is not original to the fan, but it came out really nicely. Of course, I got it like this, except with the shades. But they aren't original. They're aftermarket parts. I don't know what happened. Maybe it fell or something. I don't know. But the thing has new hang true, new down rod, new blades, and different light kit. It's not from the time period of the fan itself. Only really the motor is the only thing that's actually original, and the arms. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.